So what I thought is they've just taken the doors off and re-dipped them and just want them putting back on. But they haven't. They've bought the doors which are completely different sizes. And look at the joins on them already. Look at that. These are the four what I've got to pick with, being stuck on. Look how bored it is. Another one there, being joined. And another one there. So out of the four doors that they bought, he's done well to make sure none of them ever really fit. That's him giggling in the kitchen. So the first thing what we have to do with reclaimed door, you're never ever going to get this bang on straight line, because this door's most probably about 60 years old. It's been added on, they've added that on, we need to cut that off, and then whatever gap we've got there, we're going to put that hinge back into that, and then that end, in theory, should fit straight on there. They're not high enough for the door, so they're going to have a gap. So the only other option is we put a trimmer on there, but that trimmer's not big enough. So what I'm going to do is we'll wait until we cut the other door, and then we'll cut the other door, and then we'll have to see if we can bang a trimmer on. But when the carpet goes down like that room, I'm going to bring it up nearly 40 mil, that carpet. So the gap, which is going to be left, just as long as there's no gap at top,
Fine.
it won't be too bad at bottom. Don't start taking stuff off, because old stuff's expensive to buy. So we're going to reuse them hinges, because there's not wrong with them, they're still hanging. We're just going to unscrew it, pop it down. This is the only bedroom in the house that hasn't been done yet. We've done every other room. And then, can you see that, how they've joined that? And show them that line there. Look at the difference. Unbelievable. But what they think I am is a medical worker. But that's fine. We're going to see what we can do. We'll see. And that's why someone's put one of them doors on it. These are the originals from a different property, like, but that's why they're so sought after. Make it look old again. So I've cut the size of the door, because these are reclaimed doors, and the board like no tomorrow. Just mark your pencil mark there, where the gap is. Trim it off, trim that off. My customer's watching me. I best pull my pants up, otherwise the boyfriend will get jealous. And then we're going to trim it off wherever it's bowed. Because can you see that bow line? And then it's going to fit bang on. I hope. Let's see. So now we've got it on slightly out there. So what we're going to do is try level it up a bit. And then we need to cut that bit off there. So just draw a line down with your pencil. Then all we're going to do is plane that off and just follow the shape of the door. And when we put it back on, it should be bang on. So once you've got it on and it's shutting, and it's roughly equal all the way around, you can't see no air gap in there. The door, this door is bowed, all the frames bowed. So what you have to do is, with the hinges, we haven't sunk the hinges into the wall because to cut that much out of the original door, that the hinge just sits straight into the door. So you don't want to cut the hinge in, otherwise you're going to have too much and that'll be touching. Just alter your hinge and move it forward to twist this door back in, and when we put the latch on, you'll be able to pull it and it'll pull shut. And there you go. Back to original door. Beautiful. Bit of a masterpiece, isn't it? Bit of a masterpiece, Lee.
Yeah. Perfect.
All the hinges in, tweaked it. Nice line, nice line. Look at that, beautiful. You don't realise how awkward it is to do these. A reclaimed door which has been fit to about 50 million houses. And that's what it likes there. There, that's already where it's been shaved onto another arc, onto another frame. And I can't straighten it out because there'd be too much of a gap. Can't move it over there because there'd be too much of a gap. Straighten the top out. Done it. We just need to move that clip down there. And it's beautiful. Work of art. Work of art. Out of the four that we've had to try and fit, this is how this is shaped. That's way too much of a gap. It's going past the door frame. So that's a no-no. I'm trying to stay away from the extended doors, which are here. Can you see that extension? So I'm going to have to trim that down there to get that and on there, and make this and fit to there. I didn't really want to take that off, but that's what we'll have to do to make it look original. When doors like that and it's loose and frameless, because how it's been cut, I was going to put a trimmer on this, but I can't get the same thickness as that. Even that, it's only fatter there, and then it's too thin there, and it looks worse with it on than it off. So spray your foam in there, get it, just pull it back gently. Someone's blocked straight off outside and they're having a fight. Fight club. Beautiful. And then just push it in, because we don't want to put a screw in it because you're going to see it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to get a really fine screw. Really fine screw, and then I'm just going to wedge it there, and then once that dries they can take it out and it'll be glued. Second door on. Beautiful. Now you'd think they were the original doors on there. Bit of tweaking. Lovely. That's the other one. Only actually come to do a panel. Beautiful. Oh. You carry on. That's Lee. Lee's top job. Best in business. Him in that back do wonders. Look at that. Like my right arm. Like his right arm. I only come to do this. Come to put that panel on. And got them doors stuckered on me. Stuckered. Beautiful. But I have to say, this room, to what it was, it is beautiful. And the ensuite is unbelievable. I'd love this house. If I could afford this, I'd buy this. I'd buy something like this and do it up. Even check myself out in a minute. You know what I mean? It is just superb. Nice big 900 shower. It's just lovely. Look at the character in it. Look at the ceiling. To what we had. I'll show you a picture before and after. Beautiful. Just beautiful.